Up in the cosmos in a heavenly land, he plotted against God with an evil, evil plan. Bitter was he, bitter to an angle. Lucifer's wing, this rogue red angel. Up in the heavens, a prophecy was born, blessed on a robe, inscribed and torn, sealed inside a golden glass scroll, ancient writings of times of old. Off he flew, he stole away, dark in his heart someone will pay. To the land of immortals, to the land of gold, Ithaca, Ithaca, where time does unfold. Made an evil barter, made an evil deal. Hide this scroll and the children you kill. I give to you the brick of forever, a golden road, a cosmic lever. He sealed the deal with a quick handshake. This greedy warmonger, this man named Fate. Off he went, he rode on a chariot, declared cosmic war on Donnie and Harriet. Killed the emperor and drank his water. Then he turned his eyes on the old man's daughter. Earth was next, what did he plan? But to kill the soul of the clever, clever man. Take this scroll and ride to the king. You better not stop till destiny sings. He rode like a fool, he rode in fear. He got a sharp taste of her eternal spear. Thrown off his horse in a pool of blood, he woke up later with his face full of mud. He heard a strange noise, the song of wheat. Fell into a trance, a deep, deep sleep. Up in the cabin, way up high, tornado of terror, and you will die. Protective barrier, protective soul, and here we go through a time portal. A sonic boom, this house of light came a dark world on this cold, dark night. Like a Trojan horse in the hands of God, he smite the mountain and he was hard. Rattle, tattle, tattle, and daddle, daddle, daddle. A house made of light in a cosmic saddle. She's dead, and who will atone? Around his wrist came the bracelets of stone. He came to a clearing, what did he see? A golden scarecrow nailed to a tree. Upon his face, pain and anger, a man made of straw with redemptive danger. Upon his face, a scary, scary grin, a hypnotic smile, and death within. What is this thing, this listening grin, with the hearts of shadows and the souls of men? The creatures that sat, perched on his shoulder, this they did chant over and over. If you let him down, he will destroy. Beware the crow man, the hero of Troy. A map in need to navigate the land, clever perplexed by the signpost stand. The nail, the nail, the nail of law. Beware, beware, the man made of straw. Clever saw his anguish and Clever felt his pain. He knew the golden nail was the deadly, deadly stain. The golden nail thrust so far, Clever pulled it out of the straw man's heart. With an eerie scream, I'm free, I'm free.